I recently picked up a cool thing from Kratos Knives. He had quite a bit of stuff that I was really interested in. A lot of out the front designs. So he had like traditional knives, and then he had some selections of these, and it's an out the front utility knife. He had, I know he had blue and orange and black. I chose purple just for the heck of it. Got a decent stamped clip. Looks like there is replacement blades in here as well. It's like about 5 replacement blades. That's pretty cool. I use utility knives quite a bit, and it's nice, even especially for non-knife people, if they don't want to have to sharpen all the time. Some people don't. This is great. The button is contoured nice. It's a jimped button that's comfortable to your finger. It's not sharp. The action is real snappy. I like that. Stainless steel carrier. To change the blade is really easy. It's this part up here at the top. You pull it this way, and the blade just slides right out. No problem. Back up, slide it right back in. Comes with some instructions if you need it. He's calling this a money clip. Okay, whatever. He had some contoured titanium ones that were really nice. This is an aluminum frame, I believe. Do I have a magnet around here? Yeah, that's aluminum. And in there, of course, that's all steel inside. The titanium ones were heavier, but they were really neat. They were also more expensive, and at this point, I just wanted to get one of his knives because I really liked the out the fronts, and having this here will help me remember to take a look at them later and get one. Let's see how much this weighs. This was, like I said, the lighter weight out the fronts. 3.7 ounces. This guy is 3 3/4 inches long. It's fairly wide, at right around 1.5 inches wide. And the thickness is a 0.44. I'm sorry, 0.044. No, 0.44. Sorry, I cannot speak. So it's under 1/2 inch wide, so it's going to ride around in your pocket just fine. Anyway, I wanted to show this because I'm really kind of excited about it. I think it's pretty awesome. And if you like out the fronts, like I said, there are fancier versions of the utility knife ones and other colors of this lightweighter one. But his out the front designs for regular knives were very, very neat. And I wish I could have picked one up at the show, but I wasn't able to. But I did get this, so now I can look him up and pick up one at my leisure. So the Kratos knives says 28 BPC PLC. It doesn't really have a name, but I think you should check them out and pick yourself up a little utility knife toy. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.